Hi YouTubers, Dave out in Western Pennsylvania. I work with fuel formulations for small engines, synthetic gasoline formulations. So here's field test number 7. I'm using a 25cc 4-stroke leaf blower engine, and this formula, you can hear it over there running. This formula has approximately 80% natural gasoline. In the chemical industry, it's petroleum ether. It's mostly pentanes and some hexanes, and the octane number is probably down around 60. And these small engines require 87 octane. And I will list the actual formula, and we can take a listen to it. There is some periodic hesitation. Startup was okay. We're probably in the upper 70s, low 80s today. Partly sunny, low humidity. And let's listen to it. We're at full throttle. I'll drop it down to idle. Little bit more shaking than normal. We're probably on the verge of an 87 octane. We'll go to full throttle now. Picks up pretty quick. Throttle. Not hesitating like it was with startup. It last ran yesterday afternoon with a higher octane formula. But it's running okay so far. So we'll let this tank full run out. It's about 500 milliliter fuel capacity tank. But it's running. That's 80% natural gasoline from a natural gas wellhead. It's essentially where you get this, the liquids from the natural gas well. Thanks for watching. Bye now.